What is good, MAHAFit fan? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today is January 1st, 2021, baby. I know y'all glad to get rid of 2020, man. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm gonna do a short, nice little, beginner leg workout here at Planet Fitness. I know it is 2021, and a lot of you guys are gonna be, on your fitness journey and stuff. A lot of people are gonna be starting back their fitness journeys and weight loss journeys and all kind of stuff. So I'm gonna start a little series, a little beginner series for you guys. Basic workouts tonight, to start with, and then you could, progress up to the harder workouts. But yeah, man, so let's get this workout in. The gym does close at 10 o'clock today. It is about 8:24 right now. So we're gonna go get this workout in. Enough talking, let's get it.
Maha on the Maha on the
And just like that, man. Got carbon fiber dough. Honeycomb. Clean. And just like that, man. Nice couple of basic workouts for y'all to do. If your legs ain't shaking after that workout right there, then y'all doing it wrong, because I can't feel my legs, I can't feel my calves, I can't feel my quads. But yeah, man, I hope y'all had a great new year, happy and safe new year. I'm gonna be doing a lot more of these like beginner workouts, because again, it's that time of year where a lot of people want to start getting into workout and they never, they don't have no one to show them. So if you know someone like that, you can point them to this video, point them to my channel, have them like, comment, and subscribe so they can get more content. And again, my goal is to help y'all, man. Don't go into the gym and thinking, like everybody's looking at you or everybody's judging you. No. 9 times out of 10, no one's really care about what you're doing in there. quick little, beginner workout for y'all guys that now starting to hit the gym this year. obviously go, you know, use weight according to your fitness level. If you feel like you could do a little bit heavier, you know, then go ahead. But again, make sure your form is correct. You know, make sure you're controlling the weight, you're not letting the weight control you. So nice. So yeah, man, I hope y'all had a good night, good morning, good evening, whatever time y'all watching this. And always remember, repetition creates precision, baby. 2021, let's make the best of it, y'all. Let's go.
Maha on the way.